What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever been driving your Miata and noticed the headlight like shaking or vibrating, or even worse, had one coming towards you and the light is just kind of like shaking and just like flashing in your face? Well, today we're going to show you how to fix that. So recently here on my NA, I noticed that the passenger side headlight has gotten really loose here, and you can like push it up and down here and there's a lot of play in it. The other side is not like that, and it shouldn't be like that. So what we're going to do today is we're going to replace this part. This is basically a little rod that connects the headlight assembly to the motor that lifts it up and down, and there's some bushings on either end of this, and over time the plastic here can crack or become deteriorated, and this can basically just become detached and loose like this. So we're just gonna swap this part out. I picked this up for about $20 on Amazon, and it's an OEM Mazda part. So I'll leave a link to that part in the description down below, and I'll also show you guys the part number here. So this should be fairly simple and straightforward to replace. It'll just pop off of a little ball joint on either end. So I'm just going to use a pry tool and start prying it off of either end, and then pop the new one on. Alright, so with the headlight up, it's pretty easy to get at one side of it there, as you saw from that shot on the side. And as soon as I pulled it off, I just pulled it off with my hand. This little plastic piece came right off, and it looks like it's worn out to where it's not wanting to stay pushed into the middle rod anymore. So this was our problem. So now to get to the other side of this, it looks like we can come in from the top here and we can get the part that's connected to the motor side. Alright, that top part took a little bit of force to get off of the ball joint, but once I pried it off, it was as simple as removing the rod. So now we're going to put the new one in there and snap it onto both of those ball joints, and we should be back in business. Alright, that pretty much does it for this one. Super simple fixed. Really happy to not have a wobbly headlight anymore. So everybody go out and check your headlights on your Miata right now and replace these rods if you need to. That's going to do it for this one, you guys. Thank you for watching. As always, have an awesome week, and we will see you in the next one.